Morning guys. So guys, malapit na maluto guys ang ating chicken na ginulayan guys. Chicken soup with vegetables. Guys, oh. Yum yum. Sarap. Ihigop na naman ng sabaw na mainit na sabaw. Yum, yum. Tapos, onion rings. Lagyan natin ng onion rings, guys. Para mabango ang sabaw. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.